Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a cycle where nothing seems to move forward? In this video, I want to talk to you about 5 things that might be blocking your prosperity and how eliminating them from your home can make a big difference in your life. If you feel that your dreams are always out of reach, it might be due to one of these 5 things. I will explain what they are and why it's so important to get rid of them. But before we dive into the topic, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Everyone deserves a better life. Additionally, let me know in the comments how willing you are to receive blessings from the universe and take a moment to express your gratitude for the good things you already have. Manifest and wish with all your heart for everything you desire to receive. See it as a reality, and it will come to you sooner than you think. Your words can resonate and attract everything you want. To begin, it's fundamental to recognize that everything in the world is made of energy, from ourselves to every object in our home. Each thing has an energetic vibration that can propel us forward or hold us back. Understanding this, I started to examine every object I owned closely and discovered that many were linked to my past. Each of these objects carried an energy that no longer resonated with my present, and by getting rid of them, I began to experience surprising changes and miracles in my life that I had never imagined before. This didn't happen overnight, but gradually I felt how my surroundings started to align with my new goals and desires. I invite you to take a few minutes for yourself and pay attention, because the information I will share is extremely powerful. It's not just about getting rid of old things, but about creating space for new and positive energies to flow into your life. If you can integrate it into your life, you will also see miracles happen. The 5 things I will detail for you are all related to the principle of vibration, a concept that explains how the different energetic frequencies of objects and people can influence our well-being and success. Let's start with the first thing you should eliminate from your home: clothes you no longer wear. Every piece of clothing you buy carries a specific energy that reflects the situation and stage of your life when you acquired it. Reflect for a moment. Surely you have experienced buying clothes that you loved and wore constantly but for some reason stopped wearing. This happens because you have changed. Our constant evolution and growth mean that what we liked before may no longer fit our current identity. Clothes you no longer wear retain the energy of your past, which no longer aligns with your present energy. Keeping these clothes can halt your progress and prevent you from moving forward in your life. Therefore, it's essential to clean your closet and keep only those pieces that make you feel happy, comfortable, and confident when you look in the mirror. If the clothes you no longer wear are in good condition, consider donating them. If not, dispose of them. Before getting rid of these clothes, do something meaningful. Hold each item in your hands and thank it for the memories and time you shared together. Each piece of clothing has its own energy and needs to complete its cycle with a proper farewell. These clothes have accompanied you in wonderful moments of your life, and saying thank you will help you release that energy and make room for new positive energy to flow into your life. By doing this, you can create a new beginning and invite new and exciting experiences. The second thing that might be blocking your energy is broken objects. This includes anything from kitchen utensils to decorative items like vases, mirrors, paintings, or other objects in your home. It's important to remember that your home is your sanctuary, and taking proper care of it is essential. When you have broken objects in your house, they can disrupt the flow of positive energy. A broken plate, a chipped vase, or a cracked mirror may seem harmless, but these items carry negative vibrations that can affect your overall well-being. Instead of trying to repair these broken objects by gluing the parts together, it's better to let them go. Once something is broken, it loses its original integrity and energy, becoming a blocker of positive energy. Just as you did with the clothes you no longer wear, say goodbye to broken objects with gratitude. Thank them for the service they provided and the role they played in your life. Acknowledge the moments and memories associated with them, and then dispose of them responsibly. This act of gratitude helps release any residual energy the object may have and create space for new positive energy to flow into your home. When you eliminate broken objects from your living space, you will notice a significant difference. Your home will feel lighter, more harmonious, and welcoming. The energy will flow freely, and you will feel a renewed sense of peace and clarity. It's important to regularly check your home for broken items and address them promptly. By maintaining a clutter-free and well-maintained home, you create an environment that supports your well-being and personal growth. Your home reflects your mental state, so keeping it free of broken objects is a simple but powerful step toward enhancing positive energy in your life. Adopt this practice and experience the transformation it brings to your living space and your overall sense of happiness and balance. The third thing you should consider is your dirty or worn-out shoes. This lesson comes from one of my greatest metaphysics teachers, who taught me that the journey of your life is reflected in the shoes you wear. Your shoes are not just functional. They carry energy and can influence your life path. Therefore, it's essential to keep them clean and in good condition. When you come home, make it a habit to clean your shoes. This simple act prevents any negative or external energy they may have picked up from entering your home, which I like to think of as your temple. Think about it. If your shoes are worn out and dirty, do you want that energy to create a broken path in your life? Probably not. Keeping your shoes in good condition is like ensuring that your journey is smooth and positive. If your shoes are beyond repair and too worn out, it's best to replace them with new ones. New shoes not only support your physical comfort but also symbolize a fresh start and a clear path forward. Your shoes bear the weight of your body every day, absorbing all the energy from your environment as you move through your daily routine. That's a big responsibility, so it's important to show them some love and care. Maintaining clean and good condition shoes is a small but impactful habit. When you take the time to clean your shoes regularly, you're not just taking care of an accessory, you're nurturing the journey of your life. It's a simple daily routine that brings positive energy to your home and helps you move forward with confidence and clarity. So next time you come home, take a moment to clean your shoes, check them for wear and tear, and if they need to be replaced, do so without hesitation. By doing this, you ensure that the journey of your life remains unhindered and positive. Remember, a clean and well-maintained pair of shoes is more than just a fashion statement. It's a reflection of your life's path and the energy you carry. The fourth thing you shouldn't have in your house requires special attention, as most people tend to hold on to these items. I'm talking about objects and clothes that belong to people who are no longer with you, those who have passed away. Although it's natural to want to keep memories alive, it's important to remember that those memories should remain in your mind and heart. The rest is just energy tied to the past. If someone is no longer present in your life, allow them to continue their journey without holding on to their belongings. Keeping these objects can cause emotional stagnation in your home, blocking new and positive energy from entering. Instead, focus on having things that are part of your present life. The past is gone. It no longer exists in the physical world. As the saying goes, let the dead bury their own dead. By releasing these objects, you create space for new memories and experiences that align with your current self. This doesn't mean forgetting the people you've lost. It simply means honoring them by letting go and moving forward. Keeping your living space free from past energies helps maintain a fresh and vibrant environment, allowing you to thrive and welcome positive changes into your life. The fifth thing you should eliminate from your home is clutter. The energy in your house needs to flow freely, and the clearer your environment is, the easier it is for energy to circulate. Keep your house organized. Open the windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, and make sure there's nothing in the way. Fill your home with beautiful plants that bring joy to your heart. Make your bed every morning and thank it for providing you with rest. Remember, everything in your home is energy. Strive to create a harmonious environment, It's not about luxury, but about keeping the energy in motion. With a clean and harmonious home, by implementing the 5 points I've given you, you will notice a significant change. You will feel lighter and see how situations in your life begin to resolve. Allow the energy to flow, and your life will improve completely. Don't just take my word for it, try it yourself. One day, a wise metaphysics teacher told me, if you want your present to be wonderful, your past must die. Clean your house, eliminate all that negative energy that no longer resonates with you, and soon you will see miracles happen. As we conclude this video, I want to remind you that the state of our home has a significant impact on our energy and overall well-being. It's amazing how small changes in our environment can have a profound effect on our lives. By getting rid of things like clothes we no longer wear, broken objects, and items associated with loved ones who have passed away, we create space for positive energy to flow freely. This reminds us that everything around us carries energy. It's like a dance between our environment and our own energy. When we consciously choose to surround ourselves with things that align with our present self, we open the doors to incredible transformations. We reinforce the power of gratitude by saying goodbye to our belongings, honoring the role they played in our lives, and embracing the new chapter that awaits us. Additionally, it's rewarding to eliminate clutter and create space for things we truly love and resonate with. Creating a harmonious and vibrant living space is not about perfection or expensive decoration, but about infusing our home with positive vibrations. Whether it's by opening windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, adding beautiful plants, or simply keeping everything organized, these small but impactful steps invite miracles into our lives. It's like a domino effect. Aligning our physical environment with our energy, we begin to experience positive changes and a sense of lightness. It's an exciting journey of self-discovery and intentional living. Embrace these changes and watch how your life transforms for the better. Therefore, I encourage you to take action and embark on this journey of creating a space that nurtures your spirit and fuels your progress. Observe how these changes reflect in other areas of your life. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and by harmonizing its energy, you are setting the stage for incredible things to happen. Let's embrace the power of our environment, allow positive energy to flow, and witness the magic that unfolds in our lives. If you enjoyed the information I shared, leave a comment, like the video, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel to continue learning and growing on our spiritual journey. Your participation and support are fundamental to continue sharing valuable content and to keep this wonderful journey going together.